Hello, my name is Oliver Bryant, and this is my Week 8 assignment of FTT 111, my final project. I'm going to go ahead and do this in a time-lapse manner, just so it's easier for you to watch and review, and it also takes the burden off me with time requirements. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Safety equipment I'm going to be using, I have a pair of heavy-duty nitro gloves, along with eye protection, and I guess I'll go along and see what you think. Mentioned earlier, to get a good surface for me to be able to spot everything, I didn't have any form of film or paint to put over this to re-scratch, so I went ahead and I had 3000 grit sandpaper, and I went ahead and polished the aluminum just so any form of imperfection like a score will show up a little bit easier. And I went ahead and marked all the places that I need and get ready, and I'm going to go ahead and use a punch first, and then I will continue with the pilot and the drill bit, and I'll continue on. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to tap. Quick test fitment and make sure the first hole that I just tapped is looking alright. I am using compressed air. I have all the safety precautions, all the safety gear that I need. Just want to make sure I get all the furs or any form of a material that's still left in there out. So let's see how this screw fits in. Fits good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the other two holes tapped in, and then I will start on the process of removing these screws and repairing the one that I intentionally damaged. Holes tapped, and I'm going to go ahead and intentionally ruin the head of one of these screws. I forgot my file set inside, so I'm going to run back in and get that. That's going to be the screw. The next screw I'm going to intentionally cross thread, and the last screw I'm going to cut the head off and then extract with the extractor that I got sent. So I'm going to go ahead and get these screws started in, except for the middle one, because that is going to be cross-threaded, and I'm going to be using a screwdriver to start off with that. So, go ahead and set first, just so it stays put and I don't lose it. This one's set all the way in. Alright, so all the threads feel good. Everything's going in pretty smooth. So I'm going to run inside and grab my files, and then I'll continue with this assignment. A little once over, I'm going to go ahead and get my file set, and I will take the burr off the top, I will smooth the burr out the middle, and then I will go ahead and polish and re-blue. Here is the damage. I didn't do too terribly much because I want to still be able to get the screw back out. And now I'm going to go ahead and polish the screw and re-blue it. This is the first screw. It polished up pretty nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and reseat it, and then I will blue it. I'm done. Second screw here in the middle, I'm going to go ahead and intentionally cross thread it. Then I will extract it and then rework the threads to ensure that everything is in line properly.